60 seconds with Femi, correct pigeon and ins. Now we they do it yesterday na the big one, Manchester United versus Arsenal. Correct game, 2-2 na the game end. But we don't notice some better things. Manchester United, their players feel they play like people who drink kakamo anytime when they play Burnley, Bournemouth, Brighton and Hove. But we don't notice when a big game Manchester United they play, their players they go just day high on morale. They play like say oh boy, now World Cup final then they play. We don't notice that one they always happen. Therefore Arsenal players on the Emirates they really try. Arsenal players then they pass like say now then carry the ball from the house come. Then Nemanja Matic. I don't know what they worry that man, but he be like saying go buy Nitro from Need for Speed, out on leg, making for feed they run, well. We not go also forget say another one happened yesterday with Chelsea versus Wolves. Wolves knocked Chelsea 2-1. We don't they suspect say this Sarri ball. You sure say this Sarri ball go feel last the season end. We know how Chelsea them in they go unbeaten, but now they don't lose another game again to Wolves. Maybe as in the lose game now so Manchester United go take use come climb on top table. Maybe another production of 60 seconds.